All right, welcome back. And in today's video, quickly, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT scheduled tasks. So what we're going to do is move up here to the model. We're going to click the drop down, and under model, you will see ChatGPT 4.0 scheduled tasks. We're going to go ahead and click on that, and we will see this pop up. Now, what we're going to do is to type in a very simple task, keep it easy and simple, create a task to summarize daily news about AI every morning at 8 a.m., and help me sound smart in a meeting on it. You can use this kind of prompt. You can say, give me the daily stock price at 12 p.m. of XYZ stock, no matter what it is that you want it to do, or to send you a reminder about some type of function. And all we need to do is to click the button here, and ChatGPT will confirm for us. So it has created this task here, summarize AI news, daily at 8 a.m., Sure, I'll send it every morning. And what you will get is in your email inbox from OpenAI, it will have that daily notification. You can click on it and you will get that full summary to come back here, and you will see all of the updates for what you asked it to do. It is really well done and really, really easy to use this. There is a lot of functions that you can do for tasks to remind yourself of things and so forth. Very, very helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Give this a thumbs up, comment down below, and of course, subscribe to the channel.